Okay, so I've removed the two small screws in the bottom of the transmission, and now I'm going to remove the two screws on the top. I have to remove four large screws. You have to remove four large screws. They're in the 17mm range. They're very large. You have four to remove. Two of them from the bottom I have already loosened them up. From the top I have to loosen them also, and then I will unscrew by hand without being directly under the transmission, just in case anything happens. In case the jack does not hold it, I won't be under. This is very important. And you can see I've strapped the transmission with a little small strap here, this, just to hold it in the jack so that it does not slip to the side or something like that. Better safe than sorry. Okay, so the last two 17mm screws that hold the transmission connected to the engine are, I think, are this one here, and there is another one similar to the passenger side of the car. Just after loosening all the others, I think this is a two will be the last ones to be removed, and then transmission should fall smoothly on the jack. That last screw is a real pain. The one on the passenger side, I'll try to get it loose. It's somewhere like it's this one here. This one is a pain. This one is very hard to get to. I've removed this sensor cable here. I think it's a sensor cable. I don't know if this one also comes off. Like I was saying, that my memory card went out. I've removed two sensors from the back. They have different colors that match the sensor plug color, green and white. Now let's see if I can unscrew that last bolt. So, with all the bolts loose, you have to pull the transmission toward the rear of the car. You can see I can already see the flywheel. It's here. So now I have to pull it towards the rear and then lower the jack. So, after all this, transmission is finally out, and I'm ready to begin the overall process itself. I will follow the disassembly manual and replace the bearings and synchronizer rings and all that stuff. Hopefully I will have a brand new gearbox in brand new, so to speak, gearbox in a couple of days or a couple of weeks or
well, not a couple of months, but I'm hoping a couple of weeks.